AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 3.3. Explain the role of meiotic cell division, including the production of 4 daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes, and that this results in the formation of genetically different haploid gametes. The stages of meiosis are not required. To successfully answer any GCSE questions linked to this topic, you will need to know the outcomes of meiosis and be able to compare it to mitosis. If you have forgot what mitosis is, you can recap it in the 2.1, 2.2 and the 2.3 videos. The link is in the description below. Let's take a closer look at meiosis. This is a specialized type of cell division that is key to sexual reproduction. Cells in reproductive organs divide by meiosis to make gametes. To reiterate, meiosis creates gametes. Sperm and egg cells in animals, or pollen and egg cells in plants. Initially, genetic material is copied. At the start of meiosis, the DNA in the parent cell is duplicated. There are 2 rounds of cell division. The cell divides a first time, and a second time the first division separates pairs of chromosomes. This results in the production of 2 cells. These daughter cells are diploid cells, which means they have a nucleus that contains a full set of chromosomes. The second division separates the sister chromatids, producing 4 haploid cells. A haploid cell contains a single set of unpaired chromosomes. In other words, it contains half the number of chromosomes the parent cell had. This means that in meiosis, the cell divides twice. This leads to the production of 4 genetically different daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes. Let's apply what we have learnt to a past paper question. It is common for meiosis to be tested alongside mitosis, so this question will test your understanding of specification, point 2.3 as well. This GCSE style question asks us to complete the table to show the results when a cell divides by mitosis and meiosis in humans. It also gives the following information. Human body cells, except gametes, have 23 pairs of chromosomes, which equals 46 chromosomes. In mitosis, one parent cell divides to produce 2 daughter cells. This is why the correct answer for the first part of this question is the number of daughter cells produced is 2. In meiosis, there are 2 rounds of cell division. The cell divides a first time and a second time. This means that the number of daughter cells produced is 4. The second part of the question asks for the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell. In mitosis, the parent cell and the daughter cells are genetically identical. This means they have the same number of chromosomes. In this case, the answer is 46. In meiosis, the second division separates the sister chromatids, producing 4 haploid cells. A haploid cell contains a single set of unpaired chromosomes. In other words, it contains half the number of chromosomes the parent cell had. The parent cell had 46 chromosomes, which means the daughter cell must have 23 chromosomes. In other words, half of 46. Let's apply what we have learnt to another past paper question. It is common for meiosis to be tested alongside mitosis. So once again, this question will test your understanding of specification, point 2.3 as well. This GCSE style question asks us to compare the outcomes of mitosis and meiosis. We know from our learning from this video and the 2.3 products of mitosis video that mitosis produces 2 diploid cells that are genetically identical to the parent cell. Additionally, we know that cells produced by mitosis are used as body cells. Comparatively speaking, meiosis produces 4 haploid cells that are genetically different to the parent cell. Additionally, we know that meiosis produces gametes or sex cells. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have achieved 3 out of the 3 available marks, so full marks. Our animations were designed by experienced UK trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.